A goal without a plan is just a wish.
Doja, can you just enunciate a little bit more when you perform on stage? Because they're going to be very far from you. So just enunciate more.
Day to night to morning, keep working.
Baby girl, check my coat. Drop that ass on the floor. Shut the fuck up.
I once dug a pit and filled it with clouds. Or was it clowns? Come to think of it, it began to smell. Must have been clowns. Clouds don't smell. They taste of butter and tears. Go talk to Haskell. He's got more brains than a brain pie. Brain pie. Perfect. Care to donate? You know, you remind me of myself at a young age. All I cared about was riding narwhals and sleeping in honeycombs and drinking babies' tears. Word of advice, if you ride a narwhal, mind the pointy end. Ah, but there I go, waxing poetic about my misspent youth. Now, where were we? Ah, yes, you're the mortal messenger. Who am I? Honestly, have you any idea?
Double jointed bitches be like, girl, you need to stop. Stop it. Just stop.
Don't. Oh, it's wet. Oh, it's very wet. Oh.